Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to figure out who liked you on Tinder even if you don't have Tinder Gold. So this particular method is not perfect, but it works surprisingly well if you know where to look. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Tinder account. Over here, you need to simply go to your likes section. Here in your likes section, you will see the list of the people who have liked you. So here you will see their blurred profile images. Now, if you carefully look at the outline, the hairstyle and the background color of the blurred images, sometimes they match people in your regular swipe feed. It is not exact, but if you recognize someone in your swipe queue from the blur, you need to swipe right and you might instantly match. So this is gonna be confirmed that they like you. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply open your web browser. It can be any web browser in your mobile device. Over here, you need to simply search for tinder.com. Here, once you are on tinder.com, you need to simply log in into your account. Here, you need to tap on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner and you need to set it as view desktop site. So sometimes the desktop version shows slightly less blurred images in the likes tab. So you need to just log in and again go to the likes tab. You need to zoom in or adjust the screen brightness. You might spot some details like the profile color or the photos. It's still hidden, but you get a bit more visual context than your mobile. So with the help of these two methods, you can definitely spot who liked you on Tinder without paying for gold, just by being observant. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.